back to my channel. As you see per the title, we're gonna be doing a hair review today. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I see y'all's pictures like when y'all subscribe, and I have a lot of beautiful faces, so thank you for subscribing to my channel. So let's get into this wig because I'm tired of looking like a little egg. This wig is gonna be the Neesha soft and natural lace front wig, and this is what it looks like. And let me take this out the packaging. To be honest, I have the other two Neeshas and I really didn't care for them. I think maybe it was the color, and now I went and got another color one. So I'm gonna see how I feel about this one. I probably should have got it in natural because that was part of the reason why I didn't like it. So this is going to be the stock card up close. It's the Neesha 204 wig. It is the DR4/mushroom brown. So what the model is wearing right here, that is the color I did order. And then this color right here is super pretty too. And so on the inside is showing you all the Neesha wigs that they do have. And then on the back, of course, they have natural colors. And then of course the colors, the color that I have. And then it's showing you the front and back of the wig. So this is the wig so far. This wig is going to be a textured unit, so it is going to be really thick. It does feel kind of soft. It doesn't feel like too rough, and the ombre of the color is super pretty. I like that. So starting out, you are going to get two combs in the top. It does have a eye part, so you're not going to have any lace, but that is the parting space. The parting space does look good. And then in the back, you are going to get the adjustable straps with one comb in the back. You're putting this wig on. This wig is like a little bit on the snug side, so I might have to loosen that up just a little bit. So this is what it looks like on. Of course, there goes your parting space. I don't know why my parting space look like that. And then you do get baby hairs on top, and then of course the lace is going to be like a medium brown. So this wig right here is pretty, very pretty, very pretty. And I don't know if you can see that. Running your hands through it, you are going to get shedding. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, you are going to get some shedding. But the color is like popping, very popping, like bomb. But yeah, this wig right here is shedding. But gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Lace is cut off. Now let me go ahead and clean up this part because it does look crooked. And why does it look crooked? I don't know. Okay, so that is what the part is given. The part doesn't look too bad whatsoever. And then you do have this little baby hair action going on in the front. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Concealer. This is in the color Cafe. I'm going to put that in the part. I'm using a flat concealer brush to apply this. I'm just going to stamp that through there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my hot comb on. It is going to be on 10. I'm going to just kind of flatten out just the top. I just want right here a little bit smoother. So while that is going on, I'm going to go ahead and lay these baby hairs down that they put in the front. Going to take some Style Factor gel. This gel is like super bomb. I like this gel. Really, really bomb. It does natural hair and it does these synthetic wigs, honey. So get you some if you ain't got none. I did get mine off Elevate Styles. And then I'm going to take my comb and just kind of get that. So I'm gonna start off by applying some foam wrapping mousse. 2 squirts, 2 squirts. I'm just gonna try to brush that down a little bit. Then I'm gonna get my sides since my sides are showing. So let me just say that this wig is freaking gorgeous on, like very, very pretty. I love the color because it's like a dark brown on the roots and then it goes off into this ashy blonde color. So you have a mixture of medium and light ash blonde, and then also you have like some little 613 platinum blonde kind of highlights in between it. So the color looks super, super bomb. This wig, like I said, it is shedding a lot. Run your hands through it, it's going to shed a lot. So I can run my hands through it now and it's going to shed. As you can see, it is shedding. So just know that this wig is going to be a shedder. So this is what the wig looks like on my head. It kind of goes backwards. So you're not gonna be able to pull it down like, you know, along the hairline, but you can't really tell because it's a lace part unit. So that's really nothing to be like worried about. It is kind of tight, so I will say it's big head friendly, but it is kind of tight around the crown, so you can loosen up the straps. I just left the straps as they were because it is fitting my head and I did not apply any got to be glued or anything. So I like how it fits actually, so I feel like it's not gonna go anywhere, and if I did, I just spray some like right here just to keep it in place. And I like how full the hair looks. As y'all saw, I just put some heat like right here because I want this part to be flat, but of course I want a little bit of volume towards the front, so I kind of just lifted those up a little bit. But I'm actually happy I got this color. It's like super, super bomb. Like, this is giving me bad and bougie vibes, honey. Bad and bougie. It looks like I went and got my hair done professionally and whoever did it slayed the heck out of it. Because the color, as you can see, is freaking bomb. And then it has these curls in the back. Freaking bomb. Like, bomb. So look, if you would have went to Miss Mary down the street on 5th Street, your hair wouldn't have came out like this. And first of all, you'd have to wait on her to clean them nasty ass dishes out that sink before she can go ahead and get your hair to look like this. And even then, it's not gonna look like this. Okay, we went to Miss Barbara over on 45th Street and she took her time and slayed our hair, baby, and we spent a little bit of coin. So now we're looking bad and bougie. Okay, bad and bougie. So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.